Hello everyone. First we're gonna take all of the hair and then sectioning them into two parts. Then we're gonna take two braids in one ponytail at each sides and then we are going to join them together. Next we're gonna take this ponytail and then we are going to fold it out once like this, dividing it into two braids, further taking the hair and dividing them into two ponies and then making braids, folding it out at the top. Next, we're gonna start by grabbing hair from one side, making two ponies, joining them into one and folding them once. Further, we're gonna repeat the same step with the other side and joining them to a high ponytail like this. Next, we're gonna take hair from one side and then we're gonna take two hair strands and then keep on adding some more like this to make our braid. When it's ready, we are just going to repeat the same step with the other side and then joining them at the back and adding this beautiful bow. Next, we're gonna start by taking this ribbon and then adding it at the top. Then using this, we're gonna make these beautiful braids at both of the sides and then we're gonna join them further by some more hair from that side only and making again a braid. Then we're gonna secure it with a rubber band and making this knot and it's ready. Next, we're gonna start by taking all of the hair and then adding this elastic rubber band to make our high pony. Then we are going to divide it into three, adding a rubber band and then we're gonna fold the two hair at the back and then keep on adding rubber band. Then doing the same process again and again till your braid is ready and securing it with a rubber band. Next, we're gonna start by taking this high ponytail, adding this clutcher, dividing the pony into two and then folding it out to make this beautiful design. After it's ready, you can secure it by using any rubber band or clutcher and it is ready. Next, we're going to take this ponytail, then taking the remaining hair at the bottom, dividing them into three ponies, then joining them like this into two and further into one, joining them to the pony at the top and then further taking that ponytail, folding it out into a beautiful round shape bun like this and your hairstyle is done. Next, we're gonna take this pony, dividing it into two braids and then making this beautiful butterfly effect with the braids, then taking the remaining hair and making two braids out of it. Next, we're gonna take this high ponytail, sectioning it into three and then making a small braid. Then we're gonna add some rubber bands and making a round shape bun with the hair. And it's ready. Now you can add any accessories as per your choice. Next, we're going to take four ponies, making two ponies into braids and joining them to the rest. And then we're going to take the ponies at the sides, folding them out into a round shape bun like this and adding these accessories.